Welcome to OptiForce One. Let's take a look around. We've done a lot of changes since the last time we took a little walkthrough, so time to look at them. We've added a step for the passenger, and this slides back in. So when it's not in use, it's not in the way. For the driver, we now have a cup holder. Yes, a cup holder. And in that cup holder, you'll notice a grate at the bottom. That grate is to hold a little Aquahot unit to keep the front end of the bus warm as we're driving down the road using the Aquahot, also when we're parked. We've added trim, obviously, around here. We used checker plate aluminum, and we used an indoor-outdoor carpeting for the entranceway. Cleans our feet before we get up to the new flooring. We have a little bench here that has storage in it. Behind it, we have a taller cabinet, and we faced the ends of our cabinets with aluminum and a little decorative design on them. So that was a new addition. While we're at the front, let me quickly spin us around here. We have a new dash. In the new dash, we've extended it 12 inches. We kept the shape of the original factory dash. We added new gauges, additional gauges as well, so we have more information on what's happening with the engine. We have a radio, and we also have a backup camera now. So that backup camera also acts as a rearview mirror as we're going down the road. Moving back, we kept the same sofa, super comfortable, so we're not changing that one. We have a new vinyl plank flooring. With that vinyl flooring, it's waterproof. It's actually 100% vinyl, so it can take as much moisture as we can throw at it. We've added a dinette set, so no more loose table and chair to fly at us as we're going down the road should we ever unfortunately be in an accident. So everything is solidly fixed to the bus. We have two large drawers that can hold small appliances like a toaster oven, things like that. The benches obviously have storage in them. We decided to extend the checker plate motif to the faces of these to be able to, if we ever hit them with our feet or whatever, we're not going to damage them. We have another cabinet that's been added here. It's a large cabinet as well to take up this corner space. A little extra counter space as well that allows us, when we're cooking, to have a little more places to put appliances. There's electrical outlets on either side of these to be able to plug into different things. Going back to the bedroom, we've done a full renovation on the bedroom since the last time we took a walk around the bus. This full renovation includes new cabinetry, EHP roll board insulation everywhere. We've done the walls, the floors, the ceilings, you name it, it's all been done. Behind the mirrors, there's full shelving, so a lot of things to be taken care of there, a lot of space there. The closet has stayed the same, so is the hallway with the pantry. The bathroom has gone through a considerable change as well. So in the bathroom, we've done new base cabinets, a large cabinet there. We used to have a full counter across. Now we decided to go with a larger cabinet instead. So a drawer at the bottom, different cabinets, new mirror, new little design with aluminum tiles there. The aluminum tiles follow along there. We still have the stained glass window that was there. And we went with a galvanized ceiling just to keep our little metallic look throughout the bus in different areas. And new upper cabinets on the passenger side. They're not super deep, they're not really big, but any available space is good space. So, spice bottles hold in nicely, and the blinds tuck up into the cabinets. So when the blinds are up, we don't see them. They're hidden away. The mini split working great for those of you that ask us the question occasionally. Yes, mini split is a great investment to put in a bus. No more overhead air conditioners. Getting rid of the overhead air conditioners allowed us to do this. So, there's a fly. So what this is, of course, it's our lighting, but behind the stainless steel panel is a wire chase that goes from the front of the bus all the way to the back of the bus. So if we ever need to run wires, like we did for the backup cameras, things like that, we're able to run wires front of the bus to the back of the bus. If you have any questions, always feel free to ask, and thanks for watching.